New tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for South Central Moore County, Northeastern Scotland County, East Central Richmond County, Central Hope County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hoffman, Oregon, 14 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Rayford, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Silver City, Sand Hills Game Land, Rockfish, Ashley Heights, and Camp McCall. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Hoke, Moore, Richmond, and Scotland. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
We're close to being under a tornado warning. So, yeah, keep you posted.